time it is. Alright, let's start with British pound, Australian dollar. Okay. 2 hours. Let's see. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's get this trade. Let's get this thing going. Alright, so we have a low here. Then we have a market high right here. Alright. Let me try something new. Let me try something new here. Alright, so we have a high and we have a low. This is a bit different from what I would normally do in my other videos, right? As you can see, I did not mark out all of the previous zones or all the previous breaker structures to get my overall trend. I just marked the high, the present high, the present low of the 2 hour time frame, and then jumped all the way down to the 15-minute. Right. On the 15-minute, we have a low here. Yet to make the high. Then we have the high here. Looking to see a reaction from this point here, or the last area of hope, which would be this area here. Alright, let's see. Alright, we got a top in 5 minutes. We got a breaker structure to the upside here. Want to see a break above this high here. There we go. And then a retracement to here before I rotate my entry. There we go. I will leave this at 5. 1 to 5, that's okay. Oh wow, okay. Alright, I would still enter, I would take a re-entry here, right here. Alright, that was a loss, okay. I have my 50 pips this time. Alright, there we go. 1 to 2. Yeah, I lost this one here. Yeah. But alright, got on trade, that's fine. Let's see if we can get squeezed more out of the market. Alright. We have a 15-minute breaker structure here. Then we have a order block here. And a order block here. get a break above. Got a break above this high right here. Looking to see. I'm looking not to see a retracement, but enter from here. Reason being, I see no valid order blocks here. I would have to see the sell candle lower than the buy candle, and I'm not seeing any of those here. So I would enter right off the bat, just like that, with my 15 pips stop loss. Going for a 1 to 2 as always, and oh, I got stopped on. Damn. Didn't even see that one. Yeah, I didn't even see this. Damn. Alright, so we're back at break even. Or to be honest, I would just leave it at that. I got a winning trade. Because that would be 2 losses, right? Yeah, I'm a bit. Yeah, I would just leave the chart to today and then come back the following day, right? Because I don't know, this challenge here that I'm doing is it me learning or honing my skills, or is it me taking 50 trades? Because at this point, it's really me just learning. It's not a matter. At first I would just say it is me honing the skill. I already have the skill and just polishing it up. But now it seems like I don't even have the skill. Yeah. Alright guys, peace out.